Today, I'm going to go ahead and finish that other caliper that we didn't get to on the last video and get that wheel disassembled, prep it, and get it ready for paint. In the future, I am going to be replacing the brake rotors because they're a little bit warped, and when you spin the wheel, you can feel it hitting the brake pads. What I'm going to do now is I'm pretty much going to sand this rim down and get it ready for paint. I'm not going to break the tire down because I am going to leave the aluminum showing here. What I am going to paint is all this gloss black. So taking some 320, I'm just going to hit this up really lightly. Now that the rim has been sanded, the aluminum section on the outer part of the rim is going to stay. So before I paint this, I want to go ahead and just polish this up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 1000 grit sandpaper to polish this up. And I am going to wet sand it. Still got some of that glue from the old weight stuck on here. You're probably wondering why this tire has no weights on it. I don't use weights anymore on my tires. I use that liquid tire balancing stuff. I don't remember the name of it right now, but I'll put it in the description box down below, along with all of the stuff that I use here today. And this doesn't take much to do because this is in good shape. So there isn't much effort needed here. All right, I'm gonna hit it up with 2,000 after the 1,000, and then we'll go to the 5,000 grit. I'm not going for the super polished look here. I'm going for the clean look, like a satin kind of finish. There you go. I think I accomplished what I wanted to accomplish. All right. Take a clean cloth with some lacquer thinner and wipe the rim down. Get all this dust and any grease that might be on this rim off of here. Well, it's been a productive day in the shop. Got the wheel done, got that other brake caliper done. Everything's ready for paint. The only thing we got to do now is just mask off some of these parts before we paint them. On the next video, I am going to make some type of makeshift paint booth. Just something to prevent the paint dust from getting all over the garage. I'm happy to say that the paint arrived today. So I have the 2K gloss black and the 2K primer. I'm ready to go. The reason I got all these parts ready before paint is because I don't want to waste any paint. The thing with the 2K paint, it's in a spray can, and once it's mixed, you have to use it within a certain period of time. So I wanted to make sure that I had enough parts where I could at least use the paint in one can. Anyway, thanks for being here with me. I appreciate the support. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe to the channel. That is all I have for today. We'll see you on the next one. You all, God bless. Bye-bye.